Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, so you're turning 20 today, and it's been very hard for me to wish you happy birthday on your 20th birthday, because in my mind you're stuck at 13. Okay, and you will never ever grow up beyond 13 in my head. So no matter the fact that you're 20, remember that you're 13. Now the second thing about this video message is that I realized how difficult it is to actually record a video message, because you are not sitting here. I'm staring at the blinking eye of a camera, and I'm supposed to imagine that it's you, and I'm supposed to say things to you. And third thing that I realized is that we don't really say things to each other. I know we love each other, but it's not very often that we tell each other that, and it rolls off very awkwardly from the tongue, and I think it's time to remedy that, okay? Because yeah, it's been long enough. So what do I want to say to you on your 20th birthday? Actually, there's not much. There are just 3 things that I want to say to you. The first thing that I want to say to you is that I love you very, very much. And I know we don't talk all that often, and I know that we are not one of those sisters who are always in each other's pockets and talking to each other every night and sharing every latest gossip with each other. But I don't think that makes our love for each other any lesser. I think it makes it only stronger, because you know that I am there for you no matter what. Okay, so the first thing I want you to know is that I love you very, 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 very much. The second thing I want you to know is that I believe in you. I believe in the fact that you can do whatever you want. Absolutely, whatever you want. It's not a joke. And I know it's been something of a challenge for you to figure out what you want to do in life. But I want to tell you to just chill about it, and know that no matter what you pick, you're going to do well at it, and that you can always pick something else. You always can. I mean, look at me. I am a graduate in philosophy. I have my master's in psychology, and I'm teaching gender. So this is the world we live in today. And I think beyond that, there is not much that I'd like to say to you. One last thing that I don't want to miss out on is that I know you've had a lot of friends growing up. You've had a lot of friends in Jammu, but this current batch of friends, don't lose them. They seem to be very, very nice, because Paulina has been calling me over the last 5 days and telling me, Didi, video jaldi bhejo, and I, like my usual self, have been tied up here and there, and I didn't want to do a half-baked video, okay? I wanted to do a proper video. So I'm like, nahi, jab अच्छे से time होगा बैठ के करूँगी, and by that standard, it's just, it's the 5th already, and tomorrow is your birthday, and that girl has taken so much effort to do something special for you, that even though I've not met her, the fact that she cares so much makes me feel very happy for you. So I think the best gift you could have gotten in life is really good friends. You seem to have them. Just cherish them, keep them close, and yeah, that's about it. Happy 20th birthday. Okay, one last thing. Look out. I don't know if you can see or if you've noticed, But it's really nice and windy and breezy out here. And see, I'm not sweating at all. Okay, so you enjoy your Jammu ka weather. And I am really, really, really looking forward to having you in Pune next year. Okay, so if Nitani is going to come with you, tell her that Didi is very serious about having both of us here, and that will do whatever it takes to get here. Okay, now no excuses next year, ye nahi hua, wo nahi hua, and all that jazz. Okay, so I'm seeing you next year in Pune. You're going to be in the same city as me, and we are going to have a lot of fun. Mwah!